Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we have the 25th anniversary Pokemon to unbox. So we have the first partner pack, which we're really excited about, and also the Pikachu Train-on jumbo card binder here, which is really cool. It comes with this jumbo Pikachu, so simply just open this and it comes with the promo card, the jumbo Pikachu, and then the binder that you can slip in or collect your 25th anniversary jumbo cards that's going to be coming out for this year. So happy celebration to that. So we're going to get to that, and we also have some shiny face to open. So I have my wife, Crimson and Silas, and they're just going to kind of go at it. So here we go. Yeah, look at Crimson, he's excited. So Silas going to rip that one, see what we have. Get the camera a little bit.
Wow, huh?
Right, so, Silas, what do you have? Oh, show the camera. Bring the picture cards here. Show the camera.
Wait.
Look at that. It comes with a sleek 25th anniversary stamp. We have a Sabo.
You got 2 packs?
Roki. So nice. And then there's supposed to be that score bunny in the back, but Sally has it. So, how many packs do we have in that tin?
Silas just took it, so I think.
So we have
6?
6, yeah.
Yeah.
Total of 6. These cards are pretty cool.
So this is the
fairly nice cut.
promo card,
Yeah, that's the
which
promo
is what
card.
you guys call, right?
Cramorant. So a really neat card.
The code.
Cold card.
Okay. Can I open some, Silas?
Yeah, you can open some.
Thank you.
Crimson's looking at you, so hopefully we
Open
get that
this one
shiny
first.
Charizard.
Can you help me now?
Silas got it.
You wanna
He's
open
slowly
this one?
getting better.
Can you open this one? Now you want to do this one? Oh, you want mommy to help you open that one? Oh, you got it? Okay.
I know.
Yep,
So
yeah,
here's
you kind
our-
of just flip it down. Yep. Go, come closer to the camera. Yeah, there's 2. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Man. Well, yeah, I'll show you the card trick, but you probably have something in the back here, something rare. Oh no, just a Celebi.
Oh, the like.
The 4 cards
yeah.
to the front, ball guy, but yeah,
I'm hot.
no surprise yet.
I'm hot.
Cold card. You're hot?
Oh yeah, you have to show me the card.
It's
Wow.
supposed to be 4 cards from the back, put them up to the front.
Wow.
Wow.
This bottle.
Wow.
I got.
Ooh, Toxtricity Shining V.
We already have
this
this
is our
one, right?
second one, I think. Yeah,
Yeah.
we already have that one. So I'll sleeve this one up.
Ooh. The owl.
What do you get, Silas? Anything cool?
Wow, that's funny.
Ooh.
That's
Ooh, look at
funny.
Shiny. Shiny got Shiny. A VMAX.
Wow.
Silas first VMAX.
That's
Done
funny.
nice.
Look at
VMAX.
Dinosaur.
So far we have the 2
Dinosaur.
forward cards here. Really nice. Yes. We'll take it.
Oh, yes. Okay.
What's the peanut?
So this is the code card, right? This,
Yeah, and then your little 4 cards.
There you go. And then full cards.
Yeah, the 4
So
cards to the
1,
front.
2, 3, 4.
Yeah, and then put it to the front. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so it starts with the energy first.
So supposedly the shiny cards or the rare cards supposed to be straight the last.
Gotcha.
That's the point of the reordering. Gonna help Silas open his.
Echo.
Knock knock.
Flawless, right?
The last card is. Ooh, we got another one, Rainbow. We pulled this the other day with Clemson, so
Oh, you did.
yeah. So
Oh, we
we
got-
pulled another one. So this one's really nice.
Eevee.
Oh yeah, yours
I
perfect
got
centering.
Eevee.
The one that me and Crimson pulled
Eevee,
last time was
yes.
not
Where's
the best
Eevee?
condition, but seems to be a little scuff here. Yeah, it looks like a little scuff here, but perfect centering.
So I
Actually.
got Daddy.
Ooh, nice.
Where is it?
So
It's a
this is
flower.
nice ALCREMIE
No, it's
VMAX
there's a
rainbow
name.
card, beautiful card, but seems to have like a little scuff
See?
here on the side here, but that's okay. The centering is really nice here. Good job, honey.
Wow! Yeah.
Sleeve this one.
What else?
Oh, look at that shiny Dreadnought! Silas loves Dreadnought.
Yeah,
Silas
I
got
got
it.
seen Donna.
Dreadnought, shiny Dreadnought.
Yeah,
Let's
I
see.
got seen one.
Yeah, show the
Got
camera.
seen one.
Yeah, he has a shiny Dreadnought. Silas is a fan of the Dreadnought, so he likes Dreadnought a
I
lot.
got shiny Donna.
Yeah, you got a shiny Dreadnought. Good job, Silas. Woohoo! That's a cool card. It's our first one. Perfect centering.
Water.
Neat looking card.
What? What?
Ball guy. You got ball guy.
So our next pack
You
is
got
the
that.
code card.
What I got, Daddy?
Whoa! Good job, buddy.
You got that.
Good job.
Doing, doing. The more.
Zep Striker,
What's more?
Excadrill,
Any more?
Nuzleaf.
Any more?
Any more? Okay, we're here. Last pack right, baby. Oh, one more right here too, baby.
Open over here.
Hopefully you get that shiny Charizard, man.
These are some.
Papa Puss.
I haven't been keeping up with.
Golbat. Well, these are like newer
Yeah.
Pokemon, so.
That was it.
Was it?
Yeah, I didn't get anything
Okay.
in this pack.
Fine. There's another pack here.
I got crocodile.
Alright.
I got crocodile.
You got a crocodile? Wow. Can I see?
Oh, he opened
Meow.
a Vivid Voltage. So there's a Vivid
Meow.
Voltage from the
Meow. Meow.
partner
Yeah.
pack. Okay, so
Meow.
just, I forgot about
Meow.
that. It does come with a Vivid Voltage and I believe a Sun and Moon. So,
Eevee.
what size didn't get anything of it? I don't think he got anything out of that. No Rainbow Pikachu.
Tiger.
Psyduck. Good job, baby.
I
The code
I
card.
got you tiger. Tiger.
Cold card, you can only use it once.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, Incinerator. Wow.
But
Wait, this. What you get, buddy? Oh,
I
let's
got
open the other 10.
I
How
got
about
that,
that?
Daddy.
You guys want to open up another 10?
I think another one. What was that?
Nothing in this last pack.
You
either.
got a hollow. You got a hollow one. Yeah, no
Big
many Charizard.
crocodile.
Okay. Alright. I forgot, we also have the Boltund V10. So 2 10s and no shiny Charizard. So I know there's a shiny Charizard in here. So we shall not stop. Let's go.
So much fun. Okay, but we're gonna have to pick up after we're done with all this fun.
Yeah. Pretty good because his feet.
Okay.
Okay, so we have the Boltund. Boltund 10. This is our first time opening the Boltund V10. That's your promo card here. Let me show them the
How many we got?
Boltund card here. Really cool, nice, good looking card here.
How many we got?
Very cute. Okay.
I need help.
Hey, don't throw it. Don't throw
Okay.
it.
I'm sure you're talking me.
So here's the code card.
Thunder.
Baby, my day. And be three ways.
This is a
But I
Charizard.
told you be the same. Wait, this is the wall.
Keep going. Keep going. This is a Charizard.
I got.
Ooh,
Horsey. Oh, we got
another one.
Toxtricity. You pulled another Toxtricity. Nice. This is our third, I believe, Toxtricity to our collection. What'd you get, baby? Ooh,
No, my
small. Anything in this size? Mommy can check. Mommy, you can help check to see if there's a shiny Charizard in there. We're still on the hunt. Crimson's waiting patiently.
Ah, nice.
Cool.
Put it, yep, put it down here. Next one.
Yeah.
What is this one? Show Daddy that one.
Dobby. Toffee.
Coffee.
That's toffee.
Coffee.
Okay, well, you can open the
Okay.
next one.
Opening the next one here.
Wow, baby. Where's Silas?
So there's the code card.
Sorry, I think you got a Charizard in there. You're just not flipping over. Fire.
But fire.
Open more.
Keep going. I think you got something in the back.
No, fire.
Here we go. Oh, KYOGRE and something in the back too.
Second
Oh,
one,
we
right?
opened it. Okay, yeah, no, that's good. But this one's nice. I believe we have one already.
Yeah.
Oh, first time.
Yeah.
But nice, good looking card here too. Beautiful.
Got the next one here.
So code card, once they put that code in, then they get their Pokemon. That's it for that code card. Alright, let's keep going. There's a shiny Charizard somewhere in these packs. We will get it. Make it. Alright, last card, here we go. What is it? Oh, we got Skyla.
Skyla.
Yes, good job. Yeah, one of the chase cards. Yes.
Ah.
Good job. High five on the cam. High five on the cam. That's a really nice card. Good job. Ooh, coughing. Perfect centering. Good job, honey. That's your first full art card, Skyla. One of the most sought after cards of the set. So good job. So you can slip it in. Yeah. Oh, CINDERACE. Good job, buddy.
Big rabbit.
Show the camera. You got the big rabbit. Here. So Silas got a CINDERACE. Wow. Killing packs here.
Daddy, we so much fun.
That was so much fun, right? Alright, last pack. Hopefully it's a Charizard at the end here. Silas. Got something in the back. Here we go. Almost there. Ah, Yama Mega.
Nothing.
Okay.
That was it.
The best cards we pull. Here, honey, you can show the camera.
Yes.
So we can open all of it.
Okay, so
Alright, so quick
recap.
recap. We got the ALCREMIE VMAX, the KYOGRE Amazing, DREDNAW Shiny, the Dalmice VMAX Full Art, TOXTRICITY V Shiny, the Boltund V Promo, another TOXTRICITY, the promo card Cramorant, and Skyla, the poll of the day. Poll of the day, beautiful card. So, yes, we did it. No
And
sign
then the
Charizard, but
review.
next time, huh?
The reveal.
So, the review. Her hair
I
is
still
not
have
brown.
my black hair.
Yeah. So you guys didn't catch it on the photo or the thumbnail. It was brown, but it's actually naturally black. So awesome, guys. We will see you guys next time, and hopefully you guys are having a good day. We will see you soon.